Hi everybody.
Hello.
So today we are doing a 10-minute drawing swap challenge. So both of us will get 10 minutes to do a sketch and then we'll swap and have 10 more minutes to do the coloring.
Yes.
Yeah. So it's more like 20 minutes, but it's a 10-minute drawing
Yeah.
challenge. So we're both gonna just try to see what we can draw in 10 minutes. Yes. Are you ready? Okay. 3, 2, 1, go.
Speed.
Speed. What color should I sketch in?
Any color, bro.
Oh,
Time's a ticking,
Thanks
bro.
for your help.
You're so welcome. Ooh, that's a bit anime. Ooh. It's a little too anime for me.
I'm sick.
Yes, she is
Yes.
sick. But not contagious.
I'm wearing a mask. It's fine.
Yeah.
My hands feel like they're shaking in fear.
They might be.
Yeah.
Why did I do the face on the same layer as the jaw? I'm a fool.
I didn't.
No. I was going too quick.
I had the foresight.
Sorry, my dad's like texting me.
Oh, it's okay.
I'm at a disadvantage.
I'm at a disadvantage.
Oh no, I meant cause I haven't been drawing.
Oh.
Cause my dad's been like texting me.
No, I know, but like coughing time could be.
Oh yeah.
Coughing time.
Don't die, please.
Yeah. He's smoldering.
Mm-hmm.
It was the intention, but like he's smoldering. He has like kind of bushy eyebrows.
How long do we have?
5 minutes.
Oh my god. This is gonna be very anatomically not correct, okay?
Same with mine, it's okay. He doesn't have an ear. I've done the flip test.
Oh.
It's a little
Suspicious.
yes, definitely.
Okay, you can't judge the hands, alright?
Oh, she did hands. She was feeling it.
No, actually, I wasn't thinking about it. And then
She's a fool.
I started and I was like, oh, I actually can't do these.
She's a fool.
A big fool. But it's alright, Everything's okay.
You got this.
Mm-hmm.
These eyes are very strangely shaped.
Don't worry about it.
You're gonna get a crusty, musty, dusty sketch. How about yours?
Yeah. It might not even be done.
It's okay.
It's not okay.
Oof.
My wrist keeps like moving the screen.
Oh, it's thick.
Oh
It's
no.
Fat.
How long do you think we have?
2 minutes.
Oh my.
Oh, it's 1 minute.
Oh my god. Wait, I'm definitely not finishing in time.
Boo. Everyone, give Kay a thumbs
No! Wait. I'm getting there. Trust. That time I was texting my dad. Yeah.
Oh my god, why did I merge it? I'm a fool. No, not flatten. Don't flatten. Bad.
No! Wait. I need to do hair and then this little thing and then I'm done, okay?
Okay.
Are you done?
Should we stop screen recording or?
No. I swear, I'm like almost done.
Okay,
It's like really crusty, but I'm like almost done.
I mean, I could be done, but like since you're still going, I'll clean it up. I'll clean it as much as I can.
Okay.
Should I give him jewelry?
If you want.
What kind of jewelry?
I don't know.
He has a long neck.
That sucks, bro. Some people have long necks.
Yeah, it looks long in the reference too.
What kind of hair? Cute hair. Oh, she's kind of basic. Wait, why does she look like me? Oh no! Wait.
You've drawn a self-portrait.
Yeah. Okay, whatever. I can't go over time anymore. Let me just enlarge it. Okay, I'm done. It's like real crusty.
Yeah. I want to give him an earring. Give me.
Okay.
Oh, his ear is so thick you can't even see if I put a cuff on his ear. That's so sad. Should I put a line on his neck? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Wait, no. More jewelry. Yeah.
You cheater!
Hey. You can't. You're one to talk about.
Nah, mine was justified.
Okay.
Okay. Her eyes are like really big.
Here you go.
Oh, okay.
Oh, can we just
yeah.
give a little... Oh, cute. She looks exactly like you.
Yeah, oops.
That's cute though.
Yeah.
It's just a guy.
Oh my god, he looks like he looks like the old version of Luke.
Oh. Luke doesn't look older than that. Cause I mean like
no.
I mean like younger than that.
I mean the older character design.
Oh, yeah, a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's thick because I didn't have time to make it thinner.
It's okay, bro.
Yeah.
Yo.
Okay. Are you ready? I'm gonna make it you.
In my mind, the jacket was light purple and the pants were white.
Okay.
Yeah. In my mind, yeah.
10
also,
minute?
yeah.
Are you ready?
In case you could not tell, this is a really bad leaf.
Oh,
Like
I could tell it was a leaf.
Awesome.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
Yours is still recording, right?
I think so. You can check. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Fear. Wait, I don't know how to color this.
I'm sorry. I didn't have anything in my mind. So I literally just a guy.
He's a bit pink now. Oopsie. It's okay. Maybe he wants to be pink.
Yeah.
Not that pink though. He's like really pink. Okay.
Color. I'm the fastest woman alive.
Yeah. Absolute speed.
Super speed. I'm the Flash.
He's gonna look like Luke now because it's just in my mind.
Dude, this is gonna be you now because it's in my mind.
I swear it wasn't on purpose.
It was the hair.
I defaulted.
It's okay. I was thinking of Luke too, and I drew him.
Oh, okay. See, I got what you were putting down.
Mm-hmm. You just got a new fit.
Mm-hmm. Oh my god. My coloring is even crustier than the sketch.
Hey, that's very rude of you.
I mean.
If it's Luke though, his skin tone is like Asian, so you better not make his skin tone pink.
Yeah, I made it more yellow.
Okay.
It might not be yellow enough though.
That's okay. Sometimes I go too yellow and they look like they have jaundice.
Yeah. Plus, I only have 10 minutes, bro. One cannot worry about the color.
Uh-huh. You know in Clip Studio Paint, there's like a feature where you can just like circle your sketch and it'll fill it in for you. Like even if it's messy.
I did, and I'm like really jealous.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What color should her shirt be?
Oh, I didn't think that
Default
far.
yellow. Oh, okay, that does look nice. Okay. Okay. We ball in.
I'm reverting. Oh no, I'm so sorry.
It's okay. My sketch wasn't so good.
But I mean, I'm making it like I'm making it like real bad.
It's okay.
Like it was fine before, but now I'm making it bad. If that makes sense.
It's okay. It's too thick. It needs to be thinner. Except I didn't have the time.
No, but like it's not even cause it's thick. I'm just the coloring.
Nah, it's cause it's thick.
The coloring is like my old color. Ooh, kind of oogle, kind of not it.
I'm hungry.
Yeah, me too.
It's because we're hungry.
Oh yeah, that's the only reason.
Yeah.
Yeah. Don't draw on a hungry stomach.
You mean an empty
stomach?
I mean, I guess hungry works too.
It's just not the same. I don't know what this is. Ooh, that's kind of...
Is this how you feel? I'm still filling in flats.
Yeah. Haha, I gave you a ton of stuff to fill in.
Boo.
Definitely not on purpose. Actually, it wasn't, but like, How long do we have?
4 minutes.
Oh, haha. Dude, he's like real ugly. I did him kind of dirty.
It's okay.
Is it? Is it really?
Yeah,
Are you
it's
sure?
okay.
Okay, if you say so.
Lots of times I draw him, he's real ugly. It's okay.
Okay, but that's just because we can't draw our own characters. They don't meet the expectations.
Okay, the hair is like covering the eye, but the eye is showing through.
Don't worry
Yeah.
about it.
Okay, whatever. There's a dot there. Where did that go?
Just color over it the same color.
I'm dying.
No.
Help.
No. This is like part 2 of you being sick.
I know.
What was it, noon sky?
Yeah. What the heck did I just do?
I don't know, something you didn't want to do apparently.
Why did okay. Oh my god, it's getting to me. I'm gonna die.
No, don't die. This is gonna be the worst attempt at drawing silver. He's a silver person, right?
He's definitely a civil.
Civil. I don't know about
A
civil.
civil man. Civil rights.
Okay.
Dude, the way the hair is directly over the eye, it kills me.
I mean, you can move the hair.
Dude, but I have no time.
Oh, sorry, bro.
Oh my god, why were you using the flat brush, or was that me?
It was you. No! Wait, wait, I need to change the color of his eyebrows. This isn't okay.
I haven't done like any shading at all.
Oh.
I'm so sad.
Well, it's the style, right?
No.
I mean, you could do a little bit shading. I
Yeah.
won't judge you. Oh my god, my English is a little bit of shading. My English is leaving me.
Bonk. Let me just move your bangs. Dude. Oh no. Dude, it's like directly on top of the eye.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm sorry. Your bangs became a little wiggly.
It's okay. I'm just gonna change the line art while I'm waiting for you.
Okay. Can I just do like multiply and just go just
Oh yeah.
I got this. So fast.
Oh, his ear is on a separate layer.
Yeah, because I forgot that he had an ear. And then I added it I forgot to add his ear and I added it last minute.
Oops. How did I make him look younger?
It's just you're just different, bro.
Dude, I think I am. Like what? Maybe it's in my head. You can be a second opinion.
Okay, I'm ready.
Oh, okay, wait. I just kept going because yeah. Wait. Okay, I'm all set.
Okay. Here you go.
Okay. Oh, I'm adorable.
You're adorable. You have no flower on your head. Oh,
I'm adorable.
he looks fine.
Okay. Did he get younger?
No, he looks the same.
Okay, awesome. Can I just
yeah,
erase?
wait. If this is Luke, he would not wear that kind of necklace. Can I fill it? I think
I'm just gonna erase this one line that's like through her hair from the clothes.
Okay.
We did it!
We did it!
Was it in time?
Not really. I shouldn't have given him jewelry. It was an Elle moment. If it was my character.
It's okay. It hadn't been decided yet.
Yes.
Yeah. Man, my head looks a little naked.
Without the flower.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe I'll just, you know.
Real quick.
Real quick.
Yes.
No one needs to know. Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Hope you
Yeah.
enjoyed watching.
Bye.
Bye.